Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you guys are new, welcome. If you guys are returning subscribers, thank you for joining me again. So in today's video, I am very excited to actually try out 10 of these lashes, sample lashes that I got from my vendor. So you guys can actually let me know to see which one you guys like. And then I'm gonna just do a voiceover so you guys can go ahead and see it. Just a very quick demonstration, or just an example of how it looks on my eyes. One of them is 20 millimeters and the rest is 15 millimeters, and I will be selling these soon, but I do have an order that is ready shipped to me, or no, actually they're actually making it right now. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and try these on. So I am trying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them first in this case, these cases, and then this is the lash glue that I will be using. Got this from Target. And so I'm gonna put these on so you guys can see how they look. Alright, so I have tried all 10 of them, and I love each and every one of them, so I'm decided to probably get all of them. I love this vendor, so the vendor that I'm actually getting these lashes from. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you guys enjoy this video, also give me a thumbs up, and stay tuned for my my brand that's going to be launching soon, which is eyelashes, and I will be selling other stuff, just not just eyelashes. But if you guys want to go ahead and check out my website, go ahead and check that out. All I have is just clothes for now, and I'm in love with these. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.